I get it, okay? But I so happen to fucking live out that way. And if my family was out walking and that shit happened and they got hurt, I swear to Christ, you know what would happen. Do it somewhere else, man. Do it somewhere else. You get me?
You sounded a little unhappy. You don't have help, and this man's like,
I forgot I don't have reverse, and this door is locked on that end. We gotta roll this thing out. Alright, what's the goal for today?
not break anything.
Go beat the shit out of our cars and hopefully not get arrested. Alright, so we gotta quick get the wheels swapped on this car. Why are we swapping the wheels?
Because I don't want to snap an axle on 10 wides, and I like my 10 wides.
Yeah, 10 wides are a
A
little
little
wide.
bit easier to burn a 205 than a 275, you feel? So, a little bit easier.
Alright, so we have a nice little corner road here that I don't know what all we can do in it, but I'm sure we can do something. So the goal is have as much fun as we can today, beat the piss out of our cars, and hopefully not break anything. There is some faint marks here already. No clue what they would have been from, but... So we have Steve swapping out his rear wheels real quick because he had 10 wides on, and if you know anything about drifting, you don't really want the 10 wide on a low horsepower car. So we're gonna swap them around real quick. Crank that thing.
It's like, you know, they teach you when you're wrenching, always don't make a fist open palm it, 'cause you'll straight punch the ground.
Oh yeah, look at that fitment. I like 10 wide better. Hey! What's wrong with your fitment?
I've got spacers on, man. I got. Hey, is it an underbite or an overbite without spacers?
That looks like a major overbite. Whoops. Here comes the third one.